Hey y'all, what's up? Welcome and welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. If you've been here before, thank you girl for clicking on this video. Over here on my channel, you're gonna get beauty, lifestyle, and motherhood. In today's video, I'm gonna be going over some products that I purchased at the Ulta Savings sale that they recently had. So I just wanted to go over those products with you guys so that we can start planning some makeup. So if you wanna see what I purchased from the Ulta Savings event, go ahead and keep watching. So before we hop into the products that I purchased, I do want to talk about my lip in case someone asks. I'll have it listed in the description box below as well. But this is the Fenty Beauty Stunner Lip Paint in Uncuffed. So it's like this really pretty mauve-y shade, and so that's what this is on my lips. So I wanted to share that. Okay, this is the bag from Ulta. I don't know why they gave me this big bag, but so I'm going to take everything out of the bag and then we'll go through the products. Going in no particular order, I'm just gonna start with some of the e.l.f. stuff that I got. So the first thing I got was the Total Face Sponge Dual Set. It is 2 of these pink sponges in the pack, and these are so soft. And I really like the e.l.f. ones, and they're inexpensive. Another brand that I'm gonna talk about that I purchased at the at Target. The Ulta was in there when I was looking for a product, but I ended up picking up another pack of these. Are the Sonia Kashuk ones. I love both of these sponges. Do very well with putting on and applying the application of makeup, but it's not soaking up too much of your product. So got these, got those. The next e.l.f. product I have here is the e.l.f. Camo Liquid Blush. This is in the shade Dusty Rose. You guys have seen me talk about these e.l.f. blushes here on my channel so much. They are so beautiful and they're affordable. I have a mauve shade, a peachy shade, and I just wanted to get this dusty pink shade because I have a blush that I want to like pair it with. But I picked this up. Let's see what this looks like. Hopefully it picks up on my skin. It should. Okay, it's like a really light pink. That's pretty. Ooh, yes, that is pretty. Look at that. And if I shear it out, oh, that's gonna be pretty. So yeah, this is Dusty Rose. So pick that up. So the next e.l.f. product I have is the e.l.f. Glow Reviver Lip Oil, and this one's infused with apricot oil. I think they are infused with apricot oil actually, but this one is the shade Pink Quartz. I've done a video on them on my channel, so make sure you check that out. I'll list it up here. But this is another shade that I don't have in my collection, and it's like this pinky shade, and I love these. You've got to try these lip oils if you haven't already. They are so hydrating. The wand is very comfortable on the lip, and I just wanted another like clear. These are like a clear base. I just love having these thrown in my purse, and when I need to hydrate my lips, these do their job. So that's that. Something new that I got from e.l.f. that I've never tried. It actually just recently launched, I think. But this is the Power Grip Dewy Setting Spray by e.l.f. It looks like this. First of all, this color is so pretty. But I think it's a dupe to the Milk Makeup Grip Setting Spray. I know that e.l.f. has the Grip Primer, but they also have the Grip Setting Spray. I just wanted to try the setting spray because I have a few of e.l.f. Grip Primers, but so excited to try this in a video with you guys. If you tried any of these products, definitely let me know down below your thoughts. Let me know. Next, I did pick up the Real Techniques Bubble Blending Brush. This is a dense bubble head shape for mistake-proof blending, but it is for the face, and it looks like this. One of my beauties on here, she shared that she purchased this brush and it's super soft. So I was looking at her videos, a lot of her videos recently, and ooh, it is soft. Yes, I can see why this would be like perfect to like blend out and stipple in foundation. So yeah, the bristles are definitely soft. And I've just been really into like being in my makeup brush bag. Like, I'm a sponge girl all day, but I've noticed that sometimes some applications do look a little better when you start out with the brush and then finish with a sponge, depending on your coverage. So I'm intrigued to see how this brush is going to perform with some foundations, because I do have a new foundation in this haul as well that I'm excited to try out, which brings me to the next product. This is the About Face foundation. It's the Performer Skin Focus Foundation, and I have mine in the shade Medium Deep 1 Neutral. So I am excited to try this. I've seen this when it first came out, and I was like, oh, I never saw this before, and I left it alone. And now the girlies have been talking about it, and I hear that it's a great foundation. The packaging is cute. All of their packaging is actually cute. But I'm gonna swatch it for you guys. The wand, look at the wand. This kind of reminds me of the somebody else has a wand for their foundation, the Rare Beauty. This is the shade, so I think this is the right shade. When I swatched myself in the store, I was like, this should be perfect. So we shall see how this performs on the skin. I definitely want to do a review for you guys. For anyone that is my shade twin, this is Medium Deep Neutral 1, and I will have all the products listed in the description box below, but I am excited to talk about this. All right, so being as though the stores have been having these sales, I was like, let me look into some more skin. I've been into my skincare bag. Listen, the Mario Badescu skin spray was that girl, and she still is. So what I've been doing is trying to get more glow in the skin. Of course, we want to look hydrated, glowy, dewy, but having a facial spray can also enhance all of the products that you're putting on your moisturizer, eye cream, toner, sunscreen. Girl, I forgot how good this was. This stuff smells so good. It's so refreshing. And when I do my skincare, it's my time to myself to really just step into like a spa, self-care spa for me. So having products that give me that smell of a spa really does take my skincare regimen up a notch. So this is the Mario Badescu skin spray, skincare facial spray. This is the aloe, cucumber, and green tea. I know they have a rose one as well as a lavender one, but my favorite is the green one. Moving on to some other sprays. This is a spray I haven't seen anyone talk about, but I've seen it in Ulta, and I'm like, wait, when did they come out with a spray? This is the JUVIA'S Place Ready Set Sealed Setting Spray, and the packaging looks like this. I sprayed this in the store. They did have a tester. I mean, I don't know how you would really test that out, really, but they did have a tester, and when I sprayed it, I loved how it missed out. The packaging is cute. I'm a sucker for gold. This little frosting packaging. But let me show you how this thing is misting. Let me see. Do you see how it like, let me see. It's very light and airy and just very soft, a very soft mist. It does have a light smell, but nothing that's unbearable. Yeah, nothing that's unbearable to the point where it's like too much perfume, but it does have a light smell. It's not a funky smell. It's not a smell that's not like unbearable, like I said. So I'm excited to see how this wears when I do some testing of the makeup products I've recently purchased. And then the last two items are skincare products. So I've actually tried these out for about 2 days now, to be honest. But I haven't seen people talk about this brand. This is the Boma brand, and I've purchased the Hydrating Milky Toner and as well as the Milky Moisture Cleanser. Let me know if you tried this brand. So far, what I can tell you about these two products is that they do not have a scent, which I love. And then this Milky Moisture Cleanser is specifically for all of these products. Both of these products are for all skin types. But specifically what made me reach for this Milky Moisture Cleanser is that it specifies sensitive skin. And that's what I have. I have sensitive, normal to dry skin. And so anything milky and hydrating, I'm all for it. So this is the Hydrate and Restore, an ultra soothing face cleanser. And it has oat extract and panthenol. And it is a pump. The packaging is just so cute. Like, look at that. Like, it's so cute. And it's so colorful. I love that. And then the toner is this one. This is a Hydrate and Repair, an ultra soothing face toner with barrier lipids, plus a super supportive duo of acid and cica. Anywho, it's the gentle milky foam that helps lock in moisture across multiple layers of the skin, minimizing water loss for radiant, dewy results and a strong skin barrier. It's great for sensitive skin or sensitized skin. So it's gonna boost the hydration, and I just felt like this is a great duo. I do want to go look up their serums and see how I can like complete this bundle, but so far I am liking it. It is very lightweight on the skin, especially having sensitive skin. I have not broken out or had any irritation to the skin, and like I said, it doesn't have a smell, so that's a plus. I don't like a lot of my skincare products to have like too much fragrance in it, especially when it's doing like toning and hydrating and cleansing the skin too much. So I really am enjoying this. This does not have a pump. It just has the spill on it. But as you can see, it's like a really milky consistency or color. It is not too thick, but not too thin. And it's just really, really hydrating on the skin. Like, look at that. It's very hydrating on the skin. The cleanser as well. The cleanser as well is like, the cleanser is actually a little bit more thick than the toner, of course, but they both have like those hydrating, it's just, you could tell, you could definitely feel the immediate moisture that it's giving your skin. And that's what I'm enjoying so far. So I'll definitely be keeping you guys posted on the Boma brand. Let me know if you tried it. Definitely let me know if it worked for you. I don't know. If it didn't, let me know. But so far, I don't have any real like complaints or real updates because I've only been using it for a couple of days. But I am gonna let you guys know how these work out in my routine. So that is everything that I got from Ulta. Super simple, super quick. I just wanted to re-up on some things, try some new things. So let me know if you took part in the spring sale that Ulta had. Let me know if you tried any of these products that I'm talking about. But yeah, until next time, love, peace, and beauty. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.